It feels so nice to go back home, to the place you know and love. That's what the backstitch is about. Backstitch creates a straight line, or a curvy line if you want. Get the second thread and turn the backstitch into a candy. Slide under each stitch. Now it's a whipped backstitch. With the same color, it will make the line incredibly smooth. Shift the rows of backstitch and you'll see the bricks. These bricks are not only for walls, but also for words. And if the words didn't come out as you wanted to, pull the thread out, stitch by stitch. Use the eye of the needle to make fabric look as good as new. And you can reuse the thread afterwards as well. You can skip the backstitch. Embroideries without it look great too. But I love backstitch. It's the first step I make creating city embroideries. It's the base for the watercolor. Backstitch is what connects the design, highlights the colors. That's what makes bricks and outlines the shapes. You can make it invisible using the same color as the shape you're outlining, or add an accent, outlining with black. Sometimes going back is good.